So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the importance of LP dosing and HP dosing pumps in the thermal power plant. So let's talk about it without wasting much time, guys. The LP dosing pump and HP dosing pumps are very critical component of a thermal power plant because they are normally used to inject the chemicals into the water circuit for maintaining the corrosion and pH level and scaling also. LP dosing stands for low pressure dosing pumps and they are normally used for low pressure applications like condenser treatment, feed water treatment, and cooling water treatment, etc. So the pressure range of LP dosing pumps are typically below 10 bars. So now let's talk about what is HP dosing pump. So HP dosing stands for high pressure dosing pump and they are normally used in high pressure applications such as boiler water treatment, steam generator water treatment, and high pressure cleaning systems. We are using the HP dosing pump, and in case of HP dosing pump, the pressure range is typically above 10 bar.